Dear students, welcome to one more new video of social science. In this video, let us see online examination 10. Four choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer. First one, the first factory of the French was started at Chandranagore, Surat, Karaikal, Mahe. Second one, the Maratha leader who was made as the traditional leader by the British was Mallarrao Holkar, Bajirao II, Appa Sahib Pratap Simha. Third one, the British officer who pressed for the universalization of British education in India was Jonathan Duncan, William Bentinck, Charles Grant, Lord Dalhousie. Fourth one, the leader of Koppal rebellion was Venkatappa Nayaka, Puttabasappa, Veerappa Kalyana Swami. MCQ number 5, Vaikam Satyagraha movement was started by Sri Narayana Guru, Annie Besant, Madan Mohan Malaviya, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. Sixth one, the leader of revolt in Jhansi was Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani Chennamma, Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey. Seventh one, the incident that changed the direction of Indian political history was the birth of revolutionary and radicals, the birth of moderates and radicals, the establishment of the Indian National Congress, the division of Congress into two groups. Eighth one, the president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Ninth one, the Indian Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1951, January 26, 1950, January 25, 1952, August 15, 1947. 10th one, the Nawab of this princely state had signed the agreement to join the state of Pakistan, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. 11th one, D.M. Nanjundappa committee has been set up to solve the problem of communalism, discrimination, corruption, the regional imbalance. 12. Jawaharlal Nehru outlined the foreign policy of India in radio speech on September 8, 1946, September 7, 1947, August 7, 1946, September 7, 1946. MCQ number 13, Pathankot attack took place in the year 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. 14th one, every year December 10th is celebrated as Consumer Day, UNO Day, Republic Day, Human Rights Day. 15. This organization has strived to eradicate disease like plague, cholera, malaria and smallpox. FAO, UNESCO, WHO, UNICEF. 16. According to this, if a touchable person comes in the distance of the tail of a cow with the untouchable, he could purify himself with a bath. Manusmriti, Vyagrapada Smriti, Mahasmriti, Arthashastra. 17th one, laborers of medical institutions are called as primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. 18th one, the first labor union was established in London, New York, Paris, Rome. 19th one, Immoral Human Trafficking Prevention Act was implemented in the year 1954, 1956, 1955, 1964. 20. The part of eastern coastal plain which lies to the north of river Krishna is called Northern Sarkar, Coromandel Coast, Konkan Coast, Malabar Coast. 21. Borghat, Talghat and Palghat are important passes across the Eastern Ghats, Chota Nagpur ranges, Deccan Plateau, the Western Ghats. 22. The retreating monsoon season is also known as the northeast monsoon season, the northwest monsoon season, the southwest monsoon season, the southeast monsoon season. 23. Laterite soils are of limited use for agriculture because they are sandier and less clayey. They do not retain moisture. They are highly retentive of moisture. They are leached soils, not fertile. 24. Sundarbans National Park is in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Assam. 25. The reservoir created by the Rihand Valley project is called Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar, Gobind Sagar, Pampa Sagara, Hussain Sagar. 26. The most important fiber crops of India are sugarcane and cotton, cotton and tobacco, tobacco and oilseeds, cotton and jute. 27. Veer Savarkar International Airport is in Shillong, Nagpur, Port Blair, Varanasi. 28. Paper industry is an agro-based industry, knowledge-based industry, mineral-based industry, forest-based industry. 29. Coastal erosion is mostly caused by waves, winds, tsunamis, landslides. 30. The literacy rate among women in 2011 was 82.14%, 65.46%, 75.23%, 67.90%. 31. One among the following is Nobel laureate. Professor Colin Clark, Mahbubul Haq, Professor Mayer, Amartya Sen. 32. Banks act as connecting link between the consumers and borrowers, buyers and depositors, borrowers and consumers, depositors and borrowers. 33. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year 1962, 1972, 1986, 1996. 34. The main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War was the French attacked Mahe and captured it. The British attacked Mahe and captured it. Madhavrao attacked Srirangapatna. The British attacked Mysore and captured it. 35. The revolutionary organization started in USA was Ghadar Party, Abhinava Bharata, Lotus, Anushilan Samiti. 36. The basic trait of Gandhi's struggle is Satyagraha, truth, passive resistance, Ahimsa. 37. Gandhiji went to Natal of South Africa to fight against apartheid, represent African National Congress, represent Dada Abdullah and Company, meet Nelson Mandela. 38. Bombay Samachar was started in the year 1822, 1823, 1824, 1930. 39. This port is located at the head of the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao, Kochi. 40. The iron and steel industries under public sector among these is the Tata Iron and Steel Company at Jamshedpur, TISCO, Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited at Toranagallu, JVSL, Ispat Iron and Steel Limited at Dolvi, Bhilai Steel Plant, Durg District in Chhattisgarh. Now let's see the answers. First one, correct answer is option B, Surat. Second one, option D, Pratapa Simha. Third one, option C, Charles Grant. Fourth one, option C, Veerappa. Fifth one, Sri Narayana Guru. Sixth, Rani Lakshmibai, option A. Seventh one, correct answer is option C, the establishment of the Indian National Congress. Eighth one, correct answer is option D, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Ninth one, option B, January 26, 1950. 10th one, option D, Junagadh. 11th one, option D, the regional imbalance. 12, option D, September 7, 1946. 13, option C, 2016. 14, option D, Human Rights Day. 15, option C, WHO. 16, option B, Vyagrapada Smriti. 17, option D, organized sector. 18 option A, London. 19 option B, 1956. 20 option A, Northern Sarkar. 21 correct answer is option D, the Western Ghats. 22 option A, the northeast monsoon season. 23 option D, they are leached soils not fertile. 24 option C, West Bengal. 25 option A, Gobind Ballabh Pant Sagar. 26 option D, cotton and jute. 27 option C, Port Blair. 28 option D, forest based industry. 29 option A, waves. 30 option B, 65.46%. 31 option D, Amartya Sen. 32 option D, depositors and borrowers. 33 option C, 1986. 34 option B, the British attacked Mahe and captured it. 35 option A, Ghadar Party. 36 option D, Ahimsa. 37 option C, represent Dada Abdullah and company. 38 option A, 1822. 39 option A, Kandla. 40 option D, Bhilai Steel Plant, Durg district in Chhattisgarh. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.